Hello everybody, how are you today? Do you remember my name? My name is Tommy, Tommy. As I promised you when we started this the hummingbird lesson, I just told you when we finish the lesson, then I will teach you how to fold an origami flying helicopter with a gun that moves, a gun that moves. And you see the secret why it moves. You see the secret why it moves. So now, let's get started. First, you needed an A4 piece of paper. Then follow my directions. Just a second. Like this. Put it down again. Oops. Like this. Open it out, put it down again. Like this. If you don't know, then I'll put it out and I'll show you. Like this, and then like this. Then you close this into a triangle. Open it out, do the same thing on the left. Open it out again. Like this. Open it out again. Then this is a difficult part. Here, this is a difficult part. So you need to follow me directly so you won't miss any of my directions so you cannot make it. Like this. And you open it out and turn it into, wait just a second. Oof. A square. Wait for me, I needed to fix it a little bit. Turn it into squares. There. Now, difficult. This. This. Open it out again. Very difficult. Open it up. Seems difficult to me, but it but it doesn't. It only seems difficult to you because you haven't flown any ordinary helicopters with me before, right? So it seems difficult to you, but it seems easier to me. Wait with me just a second, because the piece of paper is crackling. There. Wait a bit. There. Now, have you finished this sketch? Close it up so you don't see it again. Turn it back. Like this. Like this. Open it up. Turn it like this again, just like the other side. Do it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Wait for me for 3 or 4 minutes because it's a little difficult for me. But it doesn't seem difficult to you. There. Now have you finished the sketch? Open it like this. Close it up. Open it like it the other side. Close it up. Turn it around. Now this is a difficult part. Wait. There. Do you know why I made it a little crunchy? You know why? Because I made it a little crunchy because a fighting helicopter needs to be crunchy. Let's do a little bit more on the other side. Like this. Like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Now, do you make it like this? Looks like an airplane, does it? But we haven't finished it yet. Just keep and keep and keep following my directions. Then you'll be able to finish it. Then open it up again. Down it goes to here. Open it up. Down it goes to here. Now you have it first short wing. Now let's do the other short wing. Here we finish a normal helicopter, right? Now we're gonna make the propellers. Have this thing. Then get the bigger size one. As it turns like this, like this. You just need to stick it to here with tape, and then you can finish it with your helicopter. Then, if you stick it into tape, with tape, or any of your glue things, you can add more details like guns like this. So now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe me more at Folding Origami Things with Tommy. So see ya!